think it's super unique, and I love that this Bluetooth speaker actually has a little phone stand on it. I haven't seen that before. And it's such a convenient place to rest your phone so that you can not only listen to music, but you can also use this speaker to watch Netflix or your favorite shows, whatever you want to do, whether you're at home, or you could so easily take it along with you and watch in the car, because it's definitely very compact. It fits nicely in the palm of my hand, and it has this optional strap which makes it easy to bring along with you. And as you can hear, it has great sound quality. It was super easy to connect to my phone, and it has these buttons on the side that you can use to control it, whether you're turning it on or off, putting it in pairing mode, turning up or down the volume, or it even has the charge port here on the side, and it includes the USB-C cable that you need to charge it. It has a non-slip grip on the bottom, which I thought was a nice touch, and it includes the manual, which will give you more information on some of its features. It actually comes in black or pink, and I obviously have it in black, and you can actually also get a version that will charge your phone as well. I think this speaker would make a really great gift. I've been very impressed with the quality, so I can definitely recommend it.